Okay, guys, good afternoon. This is the Blessed Man. Today, I am going to show you how to do a live withdrawal from your earnings club. For those of us who have registered on this site, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your money into your account, live and direct. If you are new to this channel, can you please subscribe to our channel? Hit the bell icon so that you can get notification and updates to all the videos that we're dropping. Um, Make sure if you like this video and it's useful to you, like the video, share it to your friends and your family. So let's get started. How to withdraw your earnings with Earning Club. Earning Club, if you have not joined Earning Club, the link will be on the description below. Uh, Check the description, you are going to get the link and then register. You can join our WhatsApp group where we can explain to you more about this earning club. Earning club is a site where you will earn commission on daily basis just by performing some simple tasks that will take you just 20 minutes in a day and you are done. So I'm going to log into my account right now. I'm going to log into my account and once I log into my account, from here you can see what I have here. I have $73 that is sitting in my account and part of this is what I want to withdraw right now. Um, so what you need to do once you log into your site, once you log into your site, you just come here and click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, this is my Trust Wallet address. If you want to modify it, you can go ahead and modify it. If you don't, you can leave it like that. So all you need to do is to enter the amount you want to withdraw. For me now, I need to leave $50 in my account. So $50, $73 minus 50 will give us $23. So I'm going to withdraw $21 into my account. Then I'll enter my passcode. Enter my passcode. So once I enter my passcode, um, I'll just come here and then I'll click withdraw. You can see it has written success. So you can see that my balance has changed to $52. So I will be expecting this money in my Trust Wallet account in 24 hours. 24 hours. So I am going to go here to show you my Trust Wallet account so that when I come back here by tomorrow, we will know whether this money entered my account or not. So this is it. We're going to be using this is the USDT that I use. Am I on the right account? Okay. So this is actually the USDT that I use. You can see it here. This is the USDT that I use. So this USDT has zero account on it. So we're going to come back here by tomorrow and then check my account and see if I have received this money into my Trust Wallet. So guys, I will I advise you to check on this channel tomorrow or check on my WhatsApp group where I'm going to be showing the video of whether this money entered into my account. For us to be sure of what we are doing in any club, we should be able to withdraw our money. We should be able to withdraw our money. So if we cannot withdraw our money, it means that whatever effort we are making here is in vain. So that is it, guys. One other thing I want to show you is how to, if you are a dealer on this site, each user that you refer into the account, you will get an instant, you can see it here, you get an instant $3 bonus. Apart from that, there's what we call mission. If you click on this mission, right now, you can see if you have a valid user, this is what you're going to get, $0.5. If you have 3 valid users, you're going to get $1, just like that. So once this is complete, this number one is complete, I'll go and click on receive. But once this two is complete, now also click on receive for me to get this. So I'm going to claim this first one here. So I click on this and you can see finished. That means I have claimed this 0.5 dollar into my account. So guys, this is good and this is nice. I want you to go out there and enjoy yourself in any club. If you have not signed up, you can sign up for free, upgrade your account. Those of us who have not upgraded, you can start with $10, you can start with $50. Just go ahead and upgrade and then perform some simple tasks and then you make money for yourself. What we do is that we keep on showing you some little ways to add extra income to what you're doing. So make sure you subscribe to my channel as I'm going to be bringing you other videos that will help you to make money. I'm going to post another video today to show you another site where I discovered you can make some little cash. So if you're a lover of my channel, do check out and then you will get my video. Thank you so much. This is the Blessed Man talking to you live. See you in my next video.